Okay, FedEx was at my door this morning. This is the T-Rex 600. This is the package. It looks like it arrived in pretty reasonable shape. It's covered with a waxy paper, and there is a little bit of scarring on the ends of the box, but overall I'd say it's in pretty good shape. All my documents here, and handled with care, and FedEx labels. So let's start out by cutting into it. We'll just start right here. I brought an X-Acto knife to use, but it looks like the paper is going to be easy to remove. It's kind of a greenish color paper. And here we go. Get this right here. There it is. T-Rex 600. Box did take a little bit of crush damage, it looks like right here, as you can see. Not too bad though. So let's see what we have. This was the T-Rex 600 from rcexperts.com. It was a combination deal. It had $760 plus shipping. Looks like we've got some T-Rex strapping and the foam wing holder. And what other pieces? Tie wraps, small pieces. Looks like maybe an addendum sheet here. Yeah, it's talking about your battery. Here is the canopy. Beautiful, beautiful canopy. Let's see how that canopy looks. It's a nice fiberglass canopy. Beautiful, beautiful helicopter canopy right there. Let's see what else we got in the package. We got a big white box here. Let's see what's in the white box. That is the LiPo charger in the white box. Oh, what else? Frame parts and the main gear. Beautiful aluminum frame set here, very large. Landing gear. Beautiful sticker set right there. T-Rex 600. Yeah, let's see what we have over here. Another nice large Align box that needs to be cut open. And let's see what that is. Beautiful, beautiful. Nice large DC motor. Very large DC motor. Awesome, awesome stuff here. Beautiful, beautiful DC motor. Alright. Some electronics in this box. Yep, here's the regulator, lithium polymer battery, and the speed controller. Very nice. Well made. Okay, let's see what else we have in the box. We have servos. 4 nice servos. eSky's charger. 2 3-cell lithium polymer charger. Servo pack. These are Sanwa SRM 102 servos, which are actually Airtronics servos. Got a nice little Telebi heading hole gyro. I'm using that on my T-Rex 450 XL. It works great, rock solid, no complaints. Okay, what do we have here? Oh boy, main shaft, swash plate, blade grips. Oh, there's your battery pack. That was what I was curious to see. For $760 you get a really large lithium polymer Extreme Power. This is a pretty nice pack there. And it says Extreme Power, which I think is made by Align. Nice battery pack. Tail pieces. And real nice fiber blade set. And the tailbone. So there we have it. Everything that came in the kit. Everything looks like it's in good shape. It's all there. $760. You get a set of blades. You get a set of blades. You get the helicopter kit. You get the Align motor. Very nice piece. You get all of your electronics. You get servos. You get gyro. Looks like a very nice kit. So there we have it. Next step is to build.